Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, ma'am. This is my integration video for the subject CFP 102. I can say that my most significant learning in the whole CFP 102 came from the Makikihimate activity where we visited Tinambak, Camarines Sur, and we did a community exposure. For me, I learned that there are, in fact, communities like that are very hidden from the formal world. And I can say that I was exposed to something that I was very familiar from my province in Camarines Norte, specifically the seaside town from Vincent's Camarines Norte. So I was very familiar with the kind of communities that are present in such seaside counties. And for me, it was the most fun learning out of all the learnings I have encountered. Of course, the lesson about the family, the learning styles, and the unique fruit in me, and the other reflection or integration that we have encountered and tackled was also important. But for me, what mattered the most was the community exposure that we did. And as for the second question regarding on how I can apply my learning as an Atenean and as a Filipino youth, especially in the community exposure, and which is probably the most impactful out of all the lessons and the learnings I have encountered, it is very important for me to learn how to be more mindful of others and their struggles, and learn to humble myself regarding whatever they are going through, especially in these communities, instead of being focused on the city life and not having any regard for the life of other Filipinos which are less fortunate. Thank you. Bye-bye, ma'am.